And hello, welcome YouTube to today's episode of Manjaro tricks. So today I want to just highlight a trick, and one of these tricks is to add numbers like this to Vim. Okay, like having these relative numbers. So I'm using Manjaro Linux, and before I continue, I just want to give credit to this video from freecodecamp called Vim Tutorial for Beginners. There's more than an hour of Vim tips. However, normally when I use Vim, I can't just take all the tips in and then try to change the way I work with Vim. It comes incrementally in bite-sized tips. So that's the way I like to style my videos. So that I learn a bit, I make a bit of a video. So let's add numbers to Vim. Okay, you'll notice I use a vsplit right here, but in case you don't know what a vsplit is, I'm not going to use it. Okay, so this is vsplit, but that's something I covered in another video. But yeah, for those who don't know vsplit, which is to split the screen in half using Vim, you can check out my other video. But in case you don't know, never mind. Let's just set the numbers on the left side. So if you want to set the numbers, just press the escape button, whatever mode you're in. For example, insert mode or visual mode. Just press the insert button, and you type colon. Okay, not here. Escape the insert mode by pressing the escape button. Use the colon and click or give the setting set number. Okay, and press enter. You'll see that the left hand side will actually have a lot of numbers. Okay, and this is a C# code for ASP.NET Core, but regardless of the code, you'll see numbers on the left hand side. Now, what's the use of all this? Of course, you can kind of monitor how long your code is getting. So maybe you don't want your code getting more than 100 lines. You can take note of how many lines of code you are writing. Makes it very useful. And yeah, so the next useful one is this thing called relative number. So if you want to set relative number, just escape and use colon, then set relative number. Okay. What set relative number does is basically, if you look on the left right here, it gives you the number of lines up and the number of lines down from relative to your cursor position. Okay, and of course, if you see this code number this line number is 21, so I'm on line 21 now, and if I keep going down, I will find that I'm on line 53 and 54, and this is 54. Okay. 54 okay, line 54 with one line up, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, etc. etc. Why is this good? Okay, let's say I want to delete all of these things here. Alright, I want to delete all of these things here. Okay, well, normally I'll need to count how many lines. So this is 1, 2, and 3 lines right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 lines. So this is 3 lines right here. And if I want to delete this whole section, I would normally need to count 1, 2, and 3 to see how many lines I have to delete. Okay, and once I do that, I can then press 3DD to delete all of these lines. Okay, if it's for 3 lines, it's really easy to see. But let's say I wanted to delete this whole section of code. Okay, how many times do I need to delete? All right, well, if I look at this line right here, this is line 19, and this right here is line 24. Okay, if I want to delete this whole section of code, I can just type 24DD or 25DD, because I need to plus 1, 25DD, and then this whole thing will disappear. So we repeat the DD, which is to delete the entire line, the DD command. So DD is to delete one line. If I want to repeat it, I just type the number, maybe 5DD, to delete 5 lines. Okay, so if I want to delete this thing, I can just take a look at the number on the left. It says 24. So this is 24 lines from here to here, so that's about 24 lines, and this is line 25, which is over here, and that's why we like to have this relative number. It's very easy for us to repeat commands like delete or stuff like that when we can see how many times we need to do it. So I do 25dd and this whole thing is gone. I press U to undo again. I look on this line right here, 25dd, and this whole thing is gone. Yeah. So and then let's say I come here. Okay, one last example. I come here and I want to delete all this white space over here, and I see, okay, here there are only 8 lines. So I can just type 8dd, and this will delete most of the white space right here. Okay, so that's how we do it. Okay, now for those who like to use vsplit, okay, if you're not sure, you can just end the video right now. But if you use vsplit, you will see that both sides will have numbers. Okay, but of course you can turn on and off this number setting as and how you wish. Okay, all right. Yeah, so I've already shown you how to turn on and off the numbers, and now I can show you how to turn it off. So if I want to turn off the number setting, I just use set no number. Okay, and you will see that this is line 0. Yeah, this will take away the absolute number setting, which is this, which will show you this is line number 6. But if you turn that off, you can turn it off by doing set no number. Remember, we turned our line setting on by setting number and setting relative number. So if you want to turn it off, well, you look at this Stack Overflow. Thanks to Tim right here, he answered that, okay, if you want to set relative numbers or numbers off, just add the no right in front. Okay, you see this no right here, set no number. Okay, so I'll set the number, set number. Okay, and then I can turn it off by doing set no number. Okay, it's a little hard to see because you'll see most of the numbers there, but let me turn off the relative number mode using the same logic, set no relative number, and that will actually turn off the relative number on the Vim. And if I want to turn it on, set relative number, I can do so, set number. Okay, all right, so that's it. Of course, you can put these settings into your vimrc file. So I can do QA of everything, and I can look at my vimrc. Okay, what do I want to have? I will have set number on, set number, and set relative number. Save and quit. And if I turn this on, now I can see 2 sides. All right. So that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again. Bye-bye.